How's it going?
Hey, how you doing?
Good. I was really wondering if you could go to the grocery store and if we could barbecue tonight, because you are the most delicious barbecuer ever.
Yes. So we're going to have steak with a side of steak.
I'm in my second trimester of pregnancy, and I haven't been feeling great. Balancing my family, flipping, and my design clients, it's been a lot. Thankfully, Ant has been amazing throughout all this, and randomly, he sent me a text this morning saying he may have found me my next design client.
I'm literally just leaving the gym, getting into the car now. In fact, yeah, don't be mad at me, but I might have accidentally sort of volunteered you to help out Matt and Stevie with their kitchen.
No, I would love to help them.
Matt's handy, and he's excited to be involved.
Matt and Stevie are personal trainers, and Ant plays soccer with Matt on Sundays, and I always go watch it with him, and that's how I was introduced to them. They also have a Frenchie that looks an awfully lot like Cash, and Stevie happens to be 1 week behind me in our pregnancies. I'd love to help with their nursery, too.
Oh, perfect. I'll let Matt know the good news.
All right, love you. Hi.
Hello.
Oh, Cash is so excited. Hey, buddy.
How are you?
Good, how are you? Hi. You look great.
Oh, you do
so
too.
Cute.
I know, little bumps.
I know. Soon to be big bumps.
Yes. Yep. We really need Christina's help with this kitchen, especially before the baby comes. So it's a pretty big space.
Yeah, it really is. And it gets a lot of natural light, which is really good. If you could have your perfect kitchen, what would it look like?
I really like a boho sort of style, so lots of colors, lots of textures and patterns, lots of personality. Right now, it's pretty boring.
I'm a little bit more on the modern side. You know, I could do a white and stainless steel and call it a day.
And I don't know how neutral I can go.
You're also gonna act as a bit of a mediator.
Yeah,
Yes.
which I love.
Oh, it's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Cool.
But I just want to hear about like what works for you guys, what doesn't work for you guys.
What doesn't really work for me is this huge empty area that's kind of underutilized.
Right.
So if I'm cooking in the kitchen and everyone's over here, then it's like I feel completely separated.
Yep.
We had been considering a nice island. You know, with the newborn on the way, I just kind of see, you know, Stevie and I making dinner and the baby clipped in right there, and just a lot of fun for us.
Yes.
So another problem that we have is if you open the fridge and someone's in the pantry, then the person in the pantry can't really get out.
Yeah.
Right?
So they're
Yeah,
stuck.
I've gotten stuck back here before. You know?
Yeah.
Ant is super handy around the house, and he likes to do everything himself. So is that kind of how you are too?
As far as the renovation goes, I would love to be a part of it at any capacity. I just love tackling things.
Perfect. Well, because the crew will be here a lot. So you and Izzy, who's my contractor, are going to become very good friends.
Awesome. Yeah, I can't wait.
Okay, so how much are you guys looking to spend here?
Around 35 grand.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I definitely think we can work with that, especially due to the fact that we don't have to take down any walls. So right off the bat, what I'm thinking is this area's gotta go. And in doing so, it's gonna enable you to have that large island that you want.
Yeah, perfect.
So I picture seating around the island for 4 people. Definitely shift the refrigerator over. That way you can access the pantry without getting stuck. We could use a barn door for the pantry as a space saver with style, and we'll replace your slider so everything is updated in here.
Sure.
Yeah, that sounds great.
And then I feel like a great way for you guys to have even more cabinet space is to carry the same type of cabinets that we use in the kitchen over here. Do a nice row of cabinets.
I would love
That'd
that.
be great. We need to get started this week because a lot of my friends that I've been talking to about this, they're saying, so let me get this straight. You're gonna tear apart your wife's kitchen in the midst of her pregnancy?
We'll get in and out, we'll get done before baby's born.
Perfect.
Yeah, we can't wait.
The pressure is on to get this done quickly so that they can nest before the baby comes. I'm aiming for 8 weeks for the kitchen and nursery. And because Matt is handy, I know that will definitely help with the timeline and budget, which I know Matt wants to keep an eye on.
All right, where's He-Man? There you go.
You're hilarious. You're just ripping these off?
Just rip it off,
Is that
He-Man.
really how they're on?
Yeah.
No
Got
way.
it?
No, I don't got it.
Told ya.
That's hilarious. I feel like a man, Izzy.
So we checked out your panel here. It's not only old, it's not only tripping the breakers inside, but it's a fire hazard.
Oh, wow.
So to replace the panel, do some of the suckle work, you're looking at about $3,500.
I feel so bad about this panel. We just started the project, and there's already a hit on the budget, which I know Matt is especially worried about.
That's a lot of money.
Okay. So, Izzy, just in consideration of the whole thing, is there any room you can work with us a little bit? I mean, you know that we're personal trainers, and I promise not to insinuate anything. Not to insinuate anything. But would you be open to, you know, us trading you maybe $3,500 worth of sessions?
That's an idea.
What did you tell him?
I swear I did not tell him about the stairs fiasco.
Izzy and I have a friendly fitness competition where I've beaten him every time we've competed, and I mean, it hasn't even been close. So if I were him, I would take the deal.
If I could beat Christina, then I'm good.
If your only goal is to beat a pregnant woman, I guarantee I can get you there.
That's all. That's my goal right now.
All right.
Thing's heavy.
No, I got the heavy part.
You got the heavy part, I got the heavy part.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you guys?
Hey, guys.
Izzy, how are you?
Got some
Good.
materials?
Oh, yeah.
No peeking yet. Thank you.
Yep.
Okay, let the fun begin.
Yeah.
My pants are getting a little tight these days. Okay. I pulled a nice white shaker cabinet.
I do like color, so I just want to know if we're gonna have a little bit of color pop somewhere in here.
Okay, so I did bring a couple backsplash options. I really like this one, and it's more the boho style.
Yeah, I really, really do like this one.
That is blue.
It is
Okay,
blue.
so I love this one.
Let's see what else you brought.
This one, more
Okay.
masculine,
Okay, now we're talking.
more
Now-
modern.
Look at those lines.
It is black.
Yeah, that's black. No.
So I brought a third option.
Crossing fingers.
So I feel like this one has the best of both worlds. It is more neutral, but it also has a bohemian flair. The color scheme is a bit more modern.
I do like
Okay,
that.
so I love this one.
This is the countertop, and this would be the pull handle.
Yeah, that
What do
does
you
look
think?
really good.
That leads me into the flooring.
That's really, really pretty.
We'll lay the floor tile in a diamond pattern for a modern touch that still works well with the transition to the wood floors in the living room.
That sounds good.
Okay, sweet. I will get everything ordered, and the next phase of this is gonna go by quick.
Nice.
Yay.
I'm so out of breath.
You got it, boss?
No, I can't see that at all.
Your biceps can't get in there or what?
I definitely cannot see that.
Hold it, hold it. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
All right, I'm gonna come around your way.
Nursery talk time.
I know, this is the most exciting for
My
me.
favorite. What style are you thinking for the nursery?
I did see a picture of Braden's room,
Yep.
which I really like.
Okay, so you're thinking like the reclaimed wood wall?
Exactly.
Okay, so I think we could either do like this whole wall right here, reclaimed wood.
Okay.
And we can put the crib right here. Or we could do reclaimed wood where the beadboard is to really make it feel more rustic in here as well.
Yeah, that's actually what I was thinking. Have it be kind of the center.
I love that.
That would look good.
Really good.
Yeah.
So are you thinking you want to do his name like lit up?
Yes, I would love that.
What are we thinking as far as cost for putting that together there?
I think for the reclaimed wood, install and everything, under $500.
Okay.
Perfect.
Super cute. Picture like a big rug in here, some blackout blinds, some
Yeah.
nice like thick shades.
I
Yeah.
would love that.
Okay, cool. So I will work on the reclaimed wood.
Cool.
I'm excited.
It's gonna look
Me
good
too,
for
thanks.
Cooper, right?
Yeah, yeah, maybe.
Okay, watch your fingers.
Yep. Good on this side. Looks good, huh?
Looks great.
Izzy, do you mind? I brought a ceiling fan in the garage, but it's a little bit heavy.
Yeah, let's do this.
Thank you. Fancy.
Right.
this is a
Functional
nice one.
fan.
The functional
out.
fan.
It's a functional fancy fan.
So this bad boy's gonna go. Crap.
What happened?
The glass on this busted.
Right now?
I don't know. It probably already came busted. See that?
Oh, yeah.
It's busted. You guys wanted a fancy fan. You know, it took 2 weeks to get this fan.
Oh, God, you gotta be
Oh,
kidding.
my gosh.
Why?
So how long is that gonna delay us?
We'll get everything ready, and then we'll just install this later.
Okay.
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 So Matt and Stevie had a fan in the dining room, okay?
Right.
Well, Matt wanted to keep the fan and Stevie wanted like a cute chandelier, but Matt convinced Stevie to go with a fan.
Matt's in his 20s, and I'd like to think that he's a reasonably, you know, young, hip chap. What does he want with a fan in his house?
They like the airflow.
Sometimes you just have to do an intervention. You have to in fact, I'm going to do an intervention. Get him on the phone right now. He can't put a fan in the house. It's ridiculous. Go on, phone him.
I'll let you guys talk it out.
Right.
Hey,
Hey, Matt, how you doing?
good.
So, you're about to finish a really beautiful conversion of your home, and you're going to ruin it by putting a ceiling fan up.
Our old kitchen had a fan.
The fan's like so 1980s, you might as well turn up in a velour tracksuit. Seriously, dude, you've got to get rid of the fan. Get a really nice, trust Christina, get a really nice chandelier.
Honestly, I've been thinking about it, and you know, we had already ordered the fan, so it felt a little too late to change my mind. But then it broke.
Ah, it's a sign! Matt, it's a sign!
No, absolutely. I was thinking that we could surprise Stevie and put in a chandelier.
Stevie will love that.
And as if by magic, Christina's on the call.
Bye, Matt. I need to bring you on all my projects.
That's the first one you want to put in there. It's your
Sure.
45 degree, really tight.
Perfect.
That's not bad. You've done this before, dude?
Put in the backsplash before this
All
one.
right.
We got something pretty cool I want to show you. For our dining
Oh
room,
my gosh.
your
You knew about this?
funky chandelier.
Yeah.
I think it matches so nicely with the
Oh my
pendant lights in the
gosh, it looks
kitchen.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Awesome. All right, shelves.
What is that?
I'm starting with my favorite feature. It's like a little cache, aka
It is.
gunner.
It's too cute. Love it.
It was so important for me to get this project done before baby Cooper arrives.
Does she know about this chair?
No, surprise. So I just really want them to feel settled and have time to nest and just really enjoy their space. Here we are.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
yeah. This is exactly what we were looking
This
for.
is crazy.
Looks so good. The lightness, the brightness, the airiness, and then this island is just amazing.
I can't imagine this kitchen now not having this island. It just fills this space so perfectly.
I mean, you got the bohemian style for me.
You know, having these two different styles, I was a little curious how it was gonna end up. And for me, this is exactly what I was hoping for.
What's your favorite part?
Right over here, all this storage.
Oh my gosh, mine too.
And it's just beautiful, the design of it.
I love the shelves because you can personalize them and put whatever you like up there, and it just feels like it has that boho vibe. So.
Totally. I'm so happy you decided to get the chandelier.
It fills the space so much better.
It's just beautiful. I love it.
We did redo the nursery.
Oh, yeah? Looks so good.
Oh my gosh.
It's so cute, huh?
It's so cute.
I love the way the wall turned out, the reclaimed wood.
The wall looks fantastic.
And I thought the one thing you're missing is something that you are going to use so much, and it's an amazing glider. So
Oh my gosh,
Try it out.
Christina, thank you. It's more than what we could have ever imagined it to be, for sure.